Hi guys, welcome back to Asian Home Kitchen. Today we're making delicious Thai dish again. Today I'm gonna show you how to make Thai boiling chicken with soy sauce. In Thailand we call ไก่ต้มซีอิ๊ว Okay, let's get started. First, we're going to start with preparing aromatic herbs. Crack these stalks of lemongrass. You can cut in half if you like. And then crack about 6 cloves of garlic, 2 pieces of Galangal, Coriander stem, use it loose if you have it, and black peppercorn also cracks as well. Then add all of herbs that were just prepared into the pot, but don't turn on the heat yet. Next, put the chicken in. You can use any part of chicken as you like. I use a quarter leg and thigh, and I already cleaned them. Make sure you clean your chicken well, then put them into the pot and add water in. To add water, if you don't like too much water, you can add 1 liter of water. But if you like a lot of water like me, go ahead. Add more until you see the water over the chicken, like this. Then add 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. For more taste, I like to add 2 kinds of soy sauce. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. This one is Golden Mountain brand. Add a tablespoon mushroom soy sauce. This one is Healthy Boy brand. 1 tablespoon Swiss black soy sauce. Add more dark soy sauce if you want a darker color. 60 grams of brown sugar. A half teaspoon of fine spice. A tablespoon of white sugar and half tablespoon of salt. Cover the lid. Turn the heat to high. Bring it to a boil. Once it's boiling, reduce the heat to medium-low. Take off the lid and then remove all of scum out. I'm gonna add a little more sweet black soy sauce, about 1 tablespoon. Then let it cook for 50 minutes to an hour depending on how soft of the chicken you like. While it's cooking, use low heat is good for the chicken to prevent it from breaking apart. Just let it simmer like this and always remove the scum from the surface. Once 20 minutes is left before time's up, turn the chicken over, let it cook for 10 minutes. While the chicken is cooking, we're going to make spicy and sour sauce to dip with the chicken. It's a Thai tradition. So you need a few of coriander roots cut into small, then put into mortar. Thai fresh chili depending on how spicy you like. I want about 10 pieces. It's fine for me. Half teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of white sugar, 3 cloves of garlic, then pound them together. Once you finish pounding, add half tablespoon of fish sauce, a little of warm water. And finally, add 1.5 tablespoons of lemon juice. Mix it well. And then put into a bowl. Add coriander or green onion, and then you're good to go. Get back to the chicken. We're gonna turn it back over and then cook 10 more minutes. You will see the chicken still look nice. Take a piece of chicken out. Then add some greens into the pot. Any green you like. Let them cook just a few minutes. I'm going to cut the chicken into 4 pieces. Place on top of the rice. Top with the green. We'll just cook it. Add a little of liquid. And serve with the sauce. So you're finished. The reason why I add a lot of water into my pot because if I couldn't eat all of the liquid, I can keep it in leaf phase for a week to eat with noodles. You can make like a noodle soup, chicken noodle soup, something like that. And you know what? It tastes better when you eat another day. Alright, let's try my recipe. Check it out in description box below. Like my dish. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.